In this video, I'll show you how to create an Instagram QR code that you can brand, track, and use on any marketing material. Not the basic one Instagram gives you, but one that actually works for a business. Instagram does give every account a built-in QR code, but here's what it can't do. It only links to your profile, not to a specific post, reel, or product page. You can't add your logo. You can't change the colors to match your brand. You can't track how many people scanned it, where they were, or which placement drove the most followers. And you can only download it as a JPEG, which looks terrible on a printed flyer or banner. So if you're a business or creator trying to grow your Instagram through physical marketing, the built-in code gets you about halfway there. What you actually need is a custom QR code, one that links to whatever Instagram content you choose, carries your branding, and gives you scan data so you know what's working. You create it once, put it on your business cards, storefront, packaging, event material, anywhere someone might see it. They scan it, they land on your Instagram profile or a specific post, and they follow you right there. The whole setup takes about 5 minutes. Let me show you. The tool we are using is the QR code generator, or TQRCG. What makes it relevant here is it creates dynamic QR codes, which means you can change where the code points after you've already printed it. Say you run a campaign that links to a specific reel, and then the campaign ends. You update the destination in your dashboard without reprinting anything. TQRCG also gives you 2 free dynamic QR codes on the free plan, full branding controls including your logo, and scan tracking by location and device. That's the gap Instagram's built-in code doesn't close. Here are the 6 steps. Let's go. Step 1. Copy your Instagram link. You have 2 options here depending on what you want the QR code to point to. For your profile, open Instagram, go to your profile, tap Share Profile, then tap Copy Link. That gives you your profile URL. For a specific post or reel, open the post, tap the 3-dot menu in the top right, tap Copy Link. Either link works in TQRCG. The profile link is best for business cards and storefronts. A post or reel link is better for a campaign where you want people to land on specific content. Step 2. Go to the QRCodeGenerator.com. The URL content type is selected by default. That's what we want. We're pasting a link. Step 3. Paste your Instagram link into the input field. A live QR code preview generates instantly on the right. That code is already scannable and points to your Instagram. But it's plain. Let's brand it. Step 4. Customize. In the design panel, change the QR code color to match your brand palette. Swap the pattern style if you want something that looks less generic. And if you sign up for a free account, you can add your Instagram logo or business logo to the center of the code. This matters more than it sounds. A branded QR code on a business card or flyer signals that it belongs there. It's part of your brand, not an afterthought. Unbranded codes get ignored. One constraint to respect: always keep high contrast. Dark code on a light background. The moment the contrast drops, scanning reliability drops with it. Step 5. Test before you print anything. Open your phone's camera, point it at the QR code on screen. Confirm it opens your Instagram profile or the specific post you linked, not a generic error page, not the wrong profile. Test it on both iPhone and Android if you can. A code that works on one and fails on the other is a problem you want to catch now, not after printing 500 business cards. Step 6. Download and put it to work. For print, business cards, flyers, banners, packaging, download SVG or high-resolution PNG. These stay sharp at any size. For digital use, email signatures, social media posts, standard PNG is fine. Now where to place it. The placements that drive the most follows. Business cards. The handshake moment is exactly when someone might follow you. Storefront window or counter, visible to every customer who walks in. Product packaging, turns buyers into followers after purchase. Event materials, banners, name badges, print programs. And always add a one-line CTA next to the code. Something like, scan to follow us on Instagram. 3 words is enough. So in summary, here's what we did. Instagram's built-in QR code only links to your profile, has no branding controls, and gives you 0 tracking data, which makes it close to useless for any real marketing effort. We fixed that using TQRCG, copied the Instagram link, pasted it in, added branding, tested it, and downloaded a print-ready file. The result is a QR code that looks like it belongs on your marketing materials, links to exactly what you want, and tells you which placements are actually driving followers. If this helped, hit subscribe. We cover practical QR code tips like this every week. See you in the next one.